Hello everyone, I am Gyan and you are watching the second session of Java and Wave, variables, data types and operators. In this video, we will learn about the modulus operator denoted by the percentage sign. This is a division operation shown here. Here 5 is the divisor, 12 is the dividend, 2 is the quiotient. The quiotient is returned by the division operator denoted by forward slash. Sometimes we need an operator which returns the remainder, and the remainder is returned by the modulus operator denoted by the percentage sign. The operation a modulus b returns the remainder of a divided by b. Sign of the result solely depends on the sign of numerator, that is a in this operation. Here a is the numerator and b is denominator. So sign of the result of a modulus b depends on the sign of a, not on the sign of b. If you divide the integer 12 by 2, then the remainder will be 0. That's why the result of this operation 12 modulus 2 is 0. If you divide the integer 12 by 5, then the remainder will be 2. That's how the result of this operation 12 modulus 5 is 2. In the first two cases, 12 is the numerator. Sign of the 12 is positive. That's how the values returned by these two operations are positive. But look at this third operation. Here the sign of numerator 12 is negative. The sign of denominator 5 does not matter here. Since the sign of numerator 12 is negative, that's how result of this operation is negative. Here again the sign of numerator is negative. Sign of denominator 5 does not matter. So result of this operation is minus 2. Here the sign of numerator 12 is positive, sign of denominator 5 does not matter. That's how result of this operation is positive 2. Let me apply these operations in a program. Vi modulus.java. Here we have integer variable a which contains 12, we have integer variable b which contains 5. Then we have the integer variable q which contains quiotient returned by the division operation a divided by b. Then we have the integer variable r which contains the result of the integer operation returned by the a modulus r. The operation a divided by b returns the quiotient of the division, and the operation a modulus b returns the remainder of the division, where a is the numerator and b is the denominator. So it prints quiotient is equal to value of q and remainder is equal to value of r. Compile and execute it. Java C modulus.java. Compiles fine and then run it. Java modulus. It runs fine, printing quiotient is equal to 2 and remainder is equal to 2. Let me write here a is equal to minus 12 and see the result. Save and compile. Java C modulus.java. Compiles fine and then run it. It runs fine. At this time quiotient is minus 2 and remainder is minus 2. At this time the value returned by a division b is minus 2 and the value returned by a modulus b is also minus 2. Let's update the program again and write here int b is equal to minus 5. Notice here that we have both numerator and denominator are negative numbers. Save and compile it. Java C modulus.java. Compiles fine and then run it. Java modulus. The result of a division b is positive 2. If both the numerator and denominator are negative numbers, then the quiotient will be positive. And the result of a division b is also positive. But see here, since the sign of a modulus b depends solely on the numerator, that's how the result is negative 2. Now let me update program once again and write here plus 12 instead of minus 12. Now numerator is positive but the denominator is negative. Compile and save it. Java C modulus.java. Compiles fine and then run it. At this time the result of a division b is negative. But the result of a modulus b is positive since the numerator is positive. Unlike C or C++, floating point means float and double literals and variables can also be used as operands of this modulus operator. Means we can use fractional numbers as operands of this modulus operator in Java, but in C or C++ we cannot use the fractional numbers as the operands of this modulus operator.